In this video, I will share some tips and tricks of GI stapler, how to use, how to assemble, and how to reload the reloads or cartridges. Basically, two types of cartridge we use in our daily procedure. One is green and one is blue. And there are variety of guns are available. Every company has its own sizes. And today I will share you about Johnson & Johnson linear cutter Advent 55, and this is the two staggered rows after firing. You get either side on tissue. Normally 55 mm gun have cut line of 53 mm and staple line is 57 mm. Please note, staple line is always more than that of cut line. So these are the pins basically present inside the cartridge when we fire, and this pin get buried into the tissue of patients throughout the life. It is made up of titanium alloy. It is hard and it is inert in nature. So these are the B-shaped formation of pins after firing. So we have fired this stapler without any tissue to demonstrate what is the shape of this staples forms after firing any stapler. So basically green cartridges are for the thick tissues and blue cartridge for normal tissue, whose closest staple height is 1.5 mm and green cartridge is 2.0 mm. Means for thick one green, for normal tissue blue. These are the unit staples after B-shaped formation. So this is the in service of stapler. This is the reusable one. We call it Advent 55, and it can be autoclaved and can be used up to 200 times. So basically it is of metal type, that's why we are using it 200 times. Normally 6 to 7 cases per is used of single staplers, disposable one. Now this is the alignment of any stapler, cartridge half as well as the anvil half. You can see there is 2 points, 2 gaps are there where this you should fix this one so that it would be easy to fire any stapler. So we are loading the cartridge. So it is very important point. Just see the distal point. First you align the stapler at the distal point, then it's the proximal point, and just push it and take it out the safety cap, which is present in every cartridge when it is new. In fire cartridge you will not get the safety cap, this orange cap or this yellow cap. So after taking out the safety cap, you again press the stapler into the stapler so that it will get totally fixed, and now it is ready to fire. So for demonstration we have taken one plastic or pouch and we will fire on this. So the first point is approximation of tissue. So you can reapproximate the tissue when we close the stapler. You just open it and again reapproximate towards inwards or in frontward and in the backward. So see your margin and see your free space. As per your requirement you can realign the tissue. And before firing, when we close the stapler, firing this closing trigger, you should wait for 20 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds, so that staple will make itself ready to conceive the stapler, and the fluids which is present inside the tissue, it will get exudates. So you should wait for 20 seconds for better outcome. Now one shot firing is recommended and you should not stop in between them. When you fire, just push it towards in upward direction and advance this firing knob, and again take it at its return positioning knob. So these are two important factors you should always keep in mind when you fire the stapler. And after firing you can see the outcome. If you are not select the proper staples, you will get some leakage, because again I am saying selection of cartridge is totally the part of surgeon or its user. So select the ideal one and use the stapler. Now in this video I will show you this how the staplers have staples whose staple line is always 2 mm more than what is mentioned the name of the stapler. So now This stapler can be auto clipped, can be sterilized in Sidex also. So I am changing this reloads, and again the same process. Take it when you fix the stapler from the distal in. Now when you taking out the stapler from the cartridges from the stapler, take it from the proximal end, and it will simply get it out. So you can change this reloads, because in a single procedure you may be required more than one cartridges. Now I am going to assemble and show you what is the knife module which is present inside this reusable gun. So this is called the knife module. One module comes it is without knife. So basically these are the parts which is the cartridge hub. One is your handle, this is anvil part, and this is your knife module. Knife module, there is a knife, and this knife can be used up to 10 to 12 cases. And you should be careful when you wash. You should not wash it with the hot water, because it will get blunt and you will feel the force to fire will be always high. So this is the approximation or fixing this knife module into the cartridge hull. You can see the white chamber is there, and an arrow to arrow after aligning, we just close this trigger, and you can assemble this closing trigger. Now your stapler is ready, and you can use for your procedure. Thank you very much for watching.